I am really here. Japan. I still can't believe it. So many people. So many sounds. So many lights everywhere. Okay, Mia. Stay calm. This is your first day. Your first time in Japan. Your first big adventure alone. I am not going to a hotel today. I am going to my friend's house. Emma is waiting for me. Everything feels big here. The airport looks like a small city. I hope I don't get lost. Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
Hello. This is my first day in Japan. I just arrived today.
Welcome to Tokyo. We are happy to have you here.
Thank you. I feel a little nervous.
That is normal on the first day. Don't worry.
I need to go to my friend Emma's house. She lives near Shibuya.
You can take the train from platform 3.
Is the train easy to use? I have never used a train like this before.
Yes, the trains are clean, fast, and simple.
That makes me feel better.
Here is a map for you.
Oh, this helps a lot.
Just follow the signs. They are in English too.
That is very kind. Thank you so much.
Have a nice day in Japan.
Thank you. I will. My first day in Japan, and I am going to my friend Emma's home. I hope she is excited to see me. Okay, Mia, let's go meet your friend. This train station is so big. I feel small here. But it's okay. I can do this. I just need to find platform 3. There. This is the train. Okay, Mia, step inside. Hello?
Hello? Are you visiting Japan?
Yes, today is my first day.
Welcome. You look a little tired.
Yes, I came from far away, but I am happy to be here.
Where are you going?
I am going to my friend's house. Her name is Emma. She lives near Shibuya.
That is a nice area. Many shops and cafes.
I saw pictures online. It looks very beautiful.
It is even better in real life.
I feel nervous, but also excited.
That is the best feeling.
Is this train fast?
Very fast. You will arrive soon.
That makes me feel better.
Is this your first time alone in a new city?
Yes, I have never traveled alone before.
You are very brave.
I don't feel brave. My heart is beating very fast.
That means you care. That is good.
I keep thinking about Emma. I haven't seen her for 2 years.
She will be very happy to see you.
I hope so.
Next stop is Shibuya.
Already? That was fast.
Tokyo trains are very quick.
Thank you for talking with me. I feel calmer now.
You are welcome. Enjoy your first day in Japan.
I will. Thank you. Shibuya. I'm here. Emma, I'm coming. Wow. This street feels endless. So many people. So many lights. So many sounds everywhere. Tokyo feels like a moving river. Everyone is flowing forward, and I am standing here, trying to understand where I am. These buildings, they touch the sky. I feel very small here, but I like that feeling. It makes me feel like I am inside a big story. I walk slowly. I don't want to miss anything. People walking fast, shops full of color, music coming from everywhere. This city feels alive. It feels like it is breathing. My heart is beating fast. Not because I'm scared, but because I'm excited. This is my first day in Japan, my first time walking alone in Tokyo. Excuse me.
Yes?
Hello, I'm new here. Today is my first day in Tokyo.
Welcome to Japan.
Thank you. I'm trying to go near Shibuya.
You are very close. Just walk straight and turn left.
Oh, that's good to hear. I was afraid I was lost.
Tokyo is easy to lose yourself in.
Yes, it feels like a maze.
Where are you from?
I came from far away. I'm traveling alone.
That is brave.
I feel more nervous than brave.
That means this trip matters to you.
Yes, it really does.
Are you meeting someone here?
Yes, my friend Emma lives nearby.
That's nice. A friendly face makes a new city feel warm.
I'm very happy she's waiting for me.
You will love Tokyo. Just walk slowly and enjoy it.
I will. Thank you for helping me.
Have a good day.
You too. People here are kind. That makes me feel safe. Okay, Mia. Just one more street. Emma is waiting. This adventure is just beginning. The air feels softer here. The streets are quieter. My steps slow down without me trying. This place feels different from the busy city. It feels calm. It feels gentle. My heart is beating fast again, but this time it feels warm. This neighborhood feels like home. Small houses, clean streets, soft lights. Everything feels peaceful. I think I am very close now. The bakery smell is in the air. Fresh bread, sweet smell. It makes me feel hungry and happy at the same time. My phone says this is the street. Okay, Mia, slow down. Your hands are shaking a little, but your smile is real. This is the moment. I walked so far today. I rode the train. I talked to strangers. I learned new streets. And now I am here. Someone is standing near the gate. My heart knows before my eyes do. It's her. Mia?
Emma,
It's really you.
you're here. You're really here.
I made it. I actually made it.
I've been waiting all day.
My legs feel weak, but my heart feels strong.
Come here.
I missed you so much.
You look tired, but your eyes are shining.
I feel tired and happy and a little emotional.
Welcome to Japan.
Thank you. This feels unreal.
You did something very brave today,
I was scared this morning, very scared.
but you still came.
Yes, and now I'm standing here with you.
Let's go inside. You need rest.
Yes, my body needs a chair.
And your stomach needs food.
That sounds perfect.
This is your home now, even if it's small.
Small feels good. Small feels safe.
Take off your shoes here.
Of course, I remember.
You really prepared for this trip.
I wanted to do things right.
Sit here.
This room feels warm.
It holds good memories.
I can feel that.
Tea?
Yes, please.
You must be tired after such a long day.
My body is tired, but my heart feels full.
That means your journey was worth it.
It really was.
Tomorrow we will walk around the city together.
That makes me happy already.
For now, just rest.
Thank you for waiting for me.
Thank you for coming.
My first day in Japan ended in the best way.
This is only the beginning.
Yes, a beautiful beginning.